Alright, so you got the question of how do you remove the Caulk tube, spent one, the empty one, or the overly dry one from your Caulk gun. Most models have a release right here. Okay? A model like this is going to have a release. You do that, pull that back. Now all you got to do is sit her upright, pull that back a little bit, pull her right out. Now there's still about this much caulking in this tube. I just opened this tube today, but this is old and it's rubbery. It's rubbery. So it's not even really sticking to me. It's just rubber. So not a good product. Just sat there on the shelf too long. Got too cold here in the basement. Something happened from the time I bought it to now that it's not really ideal for my use. I do see that that is a little bit bent. This was a little bit bent, so it's probably got some air in there, which is probably why it's not being very good. And I mean, I'm able to just move that around easily. So that's how you remove it from the Caulk gun. Push button, pull back. And what you're doing is you're pulling this bar back, which is inside the tube. So when you use your tube up, that's usually not quite that far forward, but usually pretty close. So push button and pull that back. That gets that out of the way, and then that gets it from outside of the inside of the tube, and allows you to remove it from the gun fairly easily. Bye.